To shut down your laptop using only the keyboard, you can follow these steps. For basic users, press Windows plus X to open the power user menu. Press U, then U again to shut down the computer. For advanced users, you can create a custom keyboard shortcut to shut down your laptop. Right-click on the desktop and select New, then Shortcut. In the location field, type shutdown SFT0, then click Next. Now name the shortcut. Click Finish. Right-click on the new shortcut and choose Properties. In the Shortcuts tab, assign a key combination. An example is Ctrl+Alt+S. Click Apply, then OK. Now pressing the assigned keys will immediately shut down your laptop. These methods allow you to shut down your laptop without using a mouse.